Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today I am ending the day green. I didn't expect it, but so what? I love green. Trees are green, money is green, the grass is green. Everything is green to me right now. I made profit, bank more than I expected, but so what? I'm gonna do a quick recap of my trades, and I also want to give a big shout out to my favorite scanners and also the programs that I use to find these stocks. If you want to know these programs and software that I use to find these stocks, they're going to be a link in the description and also at the top, so I can show you the programs and software that I use to help me find stocks that are moving each and every day. Let's jump in. I was on my Benzinga Pro and I was looking through the chat, and someone brought to my attention IINN, and IINN have news. So basically it say that their share, the shares today was trading higher because the company has announced. So the company has announced it has developed a non-invasive blood sensor designated to alert real-time change in patient clinical condition. So sound like good news, right? So I clicked it and it started going up. And then I have these lines here, which are support and resistance. You see the green and you see the red. So once it dipped down, I realized that it was respecting this price range, which is what, let's put it over here. I see that it's going to respect this price range around 241, which is where my resistance was, but it broke resistant and then it became support. It came down and I'm like, okay, it broke resistant and this could be support. So it bounced off, and when it bounced off, I jumped in. And I also had confirmation of the VWAP. So I had two supports. So I have VWAP support and I also had price support in terms of $2.41. And then it bounced off that VWAP and the price support and then started rallying up. Jumped in, and then I got a quick trade. I was up 500, but I had slippage. So at the price that I jumped out was, I think it was 257, and I made a profit of $364. I was up 5, but because of slippage, I got some bad fills. It is what it is. It happens majority of the time. But anyways, let's move on. So after a while, I was just chilling. I was playing with my son, and then I seen on the news that VERU was going up. It's VERU. I seen that it was going up on strong volume. So I was like, let me check it out. So when I checked it out, it was popping. As you can see, look at the 1 minute chart. It just kept going up, 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 up. And I have on my computer, or I should say on my platform, that VERU, VERU is a runner. It can run consistently. So I was like, okay, I kept that in mind. This is a previous runner, and I was like, okay, it's moving on strong volume. So as you can see, it kept going, and then I seen the VWAP, and I also had the line support right here, which is 1242, and I'm like, I have 2 cents of support. So once it came down, it bounced off the VWAP. It came close to my support right here, the green line, and it bounced up, and I'm like, you know what? Let's take a swing. I jumped in right here at 1293. Sorry about that. At 1293, and I did at 1293, and I took the ride all the way up. I went all the way up, and then I took my profit right here at 1339, around this price range. So 1339, 1340. So because it was going up so quickly, I just took profit because I did not want it to just flush against me. When you do have runners up like this, it do flush quick because of the way of how fast it ran up. And also VERU did have some news. Let me see what the news was. So basically the news was that their COVID-19 vaccine lowered the death rate for high-risk hospitalized COVID-19 patient, and that's good news. So this is one of the reasons why we got that rip, and it kept going and going and going. So like I said, a wonderful day. I didn't fully expect that I was going to make this much. So in total, with the trade of IINN and also VERU, I closed the day of $1,800. I wasn't expecting it, but green is green. I'm excited. Now I can have a good day and hang out with the family. But anyways, like I said, if you guys want to see the video where I made, which I told you guys the programs and software that I use to help me find stocks each and every day. There's going to be a link in the description and also at the top. And also, guys, do me a favor, check out my new videos and smash that like button and subscribe button. So enjoy your day, be safe, key life trading. I'm out.